G'day guys and welcome back to Quick Maths. Today we're going to be talking about how to multiply and divide mixed numerals. And I'm not going to lie, this is one of the more difficult skills that we've got so far in our fractions module because it's a combination of all the skills that we've learnt so far. So if you've been breezing through the other stuff, if you can do this, you're well on your way to doing really well in this topic. So we're going to have the steps on the left and the working out here on the right, and we're going to go through them together. So our first question is 3 2/3 multiplied by 2 1/4. So the first thing we've got to do is change this into an improper fraction. So 3 and 2/3 is equal to 11 over 3, remembering that the denominator is always the same, multiplied by 9 over 4. And if you're struggling with that conversion, please go back and have a look at the improper fraction video, okay? Once we've got to there, we just have to multiply these as we usually do. So we multiply the top, which gives us 99 over 12. Then we're going to have to simplify this. So I know that 3 goes into both of these numbers, so that becomes 33 over 4. I would highly recommend using a calculator if you can in that section, right? But if you can't, have a look for any of those common things. Then because the question started as a mixed numeral, we're going to have to convert it back to it, okay? So 4 fits into 32 8 times, right? 4 times 8 is 32, and we've got 1 left over. So we've got 1/4 left over, remembering that that denominator is always the same. And that's our final answer. Okay, it gets a little bit trickier with our divisions, but as long as you've got that keep it, change it, flip it, we're going to be sweet. So the first thing we've got to do again for this example is we've got to make it an improper fraction. So 3 1/2 is equal to 7 over 2 divided by 4 over 3. Then we've got to keep it, change it, and flip it. So 7 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 4. The multiplication again comes pretty easily, so we've got 21 over 8, and then we've got to simplify if possible. For this example, we don't have a simplification to make easily, we just have to turn it into a mixed fraction. 8 goes into 21 twice with 5 left over. And that's all we've got to do. So as you can see, that is a combination of a lot of our skills. Okay, so if you are looking to test yourself in the lead up to an exam or something like that, definitely have a crack at these because it will just show you that you know what you're doing. Okay, if you're on top of these, you won't have to waste time studying all that stuff that's a little bit cruisier. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys found that helpful. Just a reminder that there are some free worksheets attached in the description below relating to this very topic. I also put up a PDF of the notes so you don't have to copy them from the video. If you do need any additional help, please don't be scared to send me an email. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel for some more quick math.